Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share my monthly favorite. So the first product I have is Love Beauty and Planets conditioner. This is argan oil and lavender conditioner. I seriously love the whole lavender range from Love Beauty Planet just because of their fragrance. I'm crazy for fragrance and I love the fragrance everywhere on me, on my hair, in my home, so that shows my love for fragrance. I also have reviewed their shampoo and hair mask. I'll link it in the description box, but today I'll give you a mini review about this conditioner. If your hair is less frizzy, then use this conditioner. If your hair is crazy frizzy like mine, mask is the best option for you. The fragrance of this hair conditioner stays 2 days straight in your hair. I use this post hair wash when my hair is less frizzy, and this works perfectly for me. It retails for rupees 400 for 200 ml of product, but please do check offers on different websites. I really love the whole range of this. Only the downside of this particular conditioner is its packaging. You have to pat the bottle several times before dispensing the product. You have to squeeze the bottle again and again. और उसके लिए what I do is I keep the bottle upside down for easy and quick dispensing. This is my all-time favorite face wash. I have talked about this a lot. If you want to know why this is so special to oily skin girlies like me, then you should watch my review on this. I have uploaded full review on this. Then we have this Dukhini linen spray which retails for rupees 349, and I bought this from Amazon, and this variant is Oud Al Seher, and it's not comprised of oud, musk, amber, rose, orange, jasmine and others. I use this on my curtains, bed, pillows, basically on linen. I also spray it on my artificial flowers. The fragrance is not overpowering yet so mild, like it stays for 2 to 3 hours. Like 2 to 3 hours you will feel the fragrance, after that it fades. It is plant based and it is non-alcoholic also. Favorite is from Plum. This is niacinamide and rice water moisturizer, gel moisturizer. Due to this humid weather, I have used this only, and if you want to know the full and honest review, you can check that out on my channel. It's there in skincare playlist, and also I'll put link in description box. Kindly check that out. Next we have is Microtrip salicylic acid patches from the Dermaco. It retails for rupees 599 and it has 24 patches. It has hydrocolloid and salicylic acid as key ingredients. Hydrocolloid reduce inflammation and forms a protective layer on skin, and salicylic acid deeply exfoliates the skin and sucks excess oil. If you have active painful acne, keep it overnight. It removes pus and flattens the acne. So this is very quick solution for pus filled painful acne. If you are regular viewer of my channel, you know my love for these two. I have uploaded separate reviews on both salicylic acid and niacinamide, and also I have explained my weekly routine with salicylic acid and niacinamide. If you are oily and acne prone skin girly, then please do check out the video. You will get an idea how to use this in your daily or weekly skincare routine. My next favorite is rose water from Apollo. I have been using this rose water lately. This is just for 100 rupees for 80 ml of product, and it's alcohol free. This is natural steam distilled rose petal water, which is 100% pure and natural, and this is from Apollo Pharmacy. This can be used in food and on face. It has no any artificial fragrance, no paraben, no sulfates, no chemical. I use this in my DIY face pack and also in my hair pack. This body lotion from Scent Types is highly underrated but really a gem. It really has healing properties in this. This just smoothens out your skin, dry and itchy skin. Not at all sticky, just sinks into skin in a jiffy, and very good if your hands are very dry, rough or dehydrated. Trust me, this is all you need. My body, hands, and feet are extremely dry, and I use this even in summers, monsoons. No chip, yet moisturizing body lotion, very nice. Next is not just monthly favorites, but my all-time favorite. This is from Face Shop. This is their lip and cheek tint. I am very much into lip and cheek tints. I love the color, and these are so pigmented, and stay is really nice. You have to literally rub this with cleansing balm to remove, and it gives very natural finish. I have swatched this in my shorts. I'll give the link down below so you can check that out. If you are a beginner, this is for you. If you don't want to spend on high-end mascara, spend on this. This is just of 199 rupees and is highly underrated. I have been using this almost every single day lately, and this is the best, I bet you. This doesn't clump, gives you fuller lashes. You can see volume in your lashes. It's not waterproof and it stays until you remove it. So very good mascara, and I think this is all you need for your lashes. This mascara has never disappointed me. The last one from my favorites list is these two. This is More Top from Maybelline, and the lip liner is from My Glam Yeet. I have uploaded swatches of both these. You can check that out. I link them below. I have no idea why no one is talking about this beautiful liner and this beautiful lipstick. Gorgeous formulation. The liner is just gorgeous, so pigmented, stays on top notch. This shade is just to die for. ये एक ऐसा लिप लाइनर है जो दुनिया में कोई भी लिपस्टिक है सबके साथ जाता है, एंड आई रियली लव दैट. सो या, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू सून इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय.